What's going on? I'm Whit today, excited to share with you a brand new watch from UNDONE. This is the Slim, and it is thinner than a pencil. I gotta see this. Yep, that's super thin. Man, let me get this wrap off of here. And that was wrapped up pretty good, but look at this thing. Super thin. They are not kidding. So this comes in at 4.9 millimeters in overall thickness. That's from the bottom of that case back, which is almost flat to the case, and then to the top of the crystal, which sits up just a little bit above that bezel. I said it was thinner than a pencil, so let's check it out. So you can see that we're at the same distance. It's definitely thinner than a pencil. I mean, the pencil hides it. That's crazy. And pretty sweet getting that bracelet down that thin too. So this is the UNDONE Slim in silver. I went with the full-on monochromatic version, and man, I gotta tell you, I love a silver dial. It's not often my pick, my go-to, but when I do get one, it's a favorite. I mean, something about it, just very clean, I think. And so we can see this sunburst dial here, and then you've got applied indices and a polished handset, and just looking super sharp. Very minimalistic. Obviously, this is a two-hander, so even minimalistic on the dial without seeing a seconds hand sweep around. And so look at this crown. The crown itself is only 4 millimeters. Then you've got a embossed U for UNDONE logo on there. Looks pretty sharp. And it looks like it's kind of easy to grab just because it's, you know, the case is so thin. Even though the crown is small, I mean, I've got fat fingers. It's easy to grab because of that case. This is crazy. Love it. Looks like some nice finishing on this watch as well. Push-pull crown, by the way. You see this vertical brushing on the top of the case and the top of the fixed bezel, and then the side of the bezel's got that polished ring to it. There's a polished chamfer on the side of the mid case, and then this brushing goes straight on down to the integrated bracelet. So let me just tell you what I know about it, and then we'll get into those measurements because this is going to be a fun one, right? So 316L stainless steel case and bracelet. I mentioned that crown is push-pull, and then you've got a solid case back. Oh, look at the faceting on that bracelet. Boy, it catches light nicely, huh? Butterfly clasp on this bracelet. It's got push pins for removing links or sizing the bracelet. Crispy. Solid case back, which appears to be snap-on, snap-off, and you see you've got some specs around the outside edge. 316L stainless steel case and band. UNDONE, water resistant to 30 meters, and UNDONE. And this is a Lexan crystal, which is a form of acrylic, so nice thing about that. It looks like it's got a pretty good clarity to it as well, right? But nice thing about that is that it's got pretty good shatter resistance, and you can polish it out if you get some scratch marks on the crystal. And this is running the Swiss Ronda 1062, obviously a very small and thin two-handed quartz movement. It does feature hacking. Of course, you wouldn't really notice it on the dial too much without the seconds hand, or use it for, you know, precise timing, that kind of thing. But it's available to you to pull the crown to save the battery. But you probably won't even need to do that because this has got about a 6-year battery life. And it has a stated accuracy of -10 to +20 seconds per month. Now, one cool thing about this movement, too, is that minute hand doesn't just kind of slowly advance. It moves a little tick, there you go, every 10 seconds or so to get closer to its next mark. Okay, let's get some fun measurements. This is gonna be, I mean, let's just do that. Let's do the thickness first, right? You've been waiting to see that. Okay, my caliper is showing 5.5. It's listed as 4.9 millimeters. Here's the case itself, 3.1 millimeters. So just the mid case there, 3.1 millimeters. Yeah, I can't do anything to get 4.9, but even if it's 5.5, I mean, that is super thin. So it's 37.2 millimeters in diameter, lug-to-lug length of just about 43 millimeters. But if I take the widest spot of where that integrated bracelet is, I get 45.2. Now the lug opening for that integrated bracelet is 10 millimeters if for some reason you want to try and find some aftermarket straps. And then to give you an idea, it's about 24 millimeters the total width of the bracelet where it meets the watch head. And it weighs just 96 grams with all links on the supplied bracelet. Oh man, there it is on my 8-inch wrist. This is a beauty. Now I thought it was going to wear really small with these measurements, 37 millimeters in diameter and 43 millimeters lug to lug. I thought it was going to look like a toy watch on me, but I think this bracelet helps pull it off because there's so much more mass going on, again, with the facets and with the wide, 24 millimeters up here. Didn't measure what it tapers down here. 18 millimeters at the clasp, so it got a nice taper to it, but the part where it's sitting on your wrist looks really beefy, so I think this might be a great watch for small wrists and large wrists alike. I mean, that doesn't even look too small on me at all. And you can see how thin it is. That is too cool. Talk about slipping under the cuff, man. That'd make a nice watch to wear with the suit, right? The UNDONE Slim, it comes in 3 different colors of sunray dial. You've got the silver that I've been showing you, there's black, or there's a blue dial. And it also comes with a black colored stainless steel case and bracelet too. The Slim runs $295 US, and there's free engraving if you'd like to put something on the case back. It ships from the USA for those customers, and there are no duties. Taxes are extra, but no duties there. In fact, check the website for taxes and duties in your country, but in most countries that would see this video, all taxes and duties are included. It can hide behind a pencil. That is too cool. The UNDONE Slim, what do you think of this one? Leave your comments down below. I'd love to interact with you. And if you're hanging around on YouTube a little longer, maybe check out a couple of these videos. I'll see you over there. I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money.